Lecture 3, Smart System Implementation, from Theory to Practice Introduction. Welcome back, future AI affiliate leaders. In our previous lectures, we explored the revolution in affiliate marketing and the crucial architectural foundations. Today, we're getting our hands dirty with actual implementation. This is where theory meets practice, where ideas become reality. Let me start with a revelation that happened just yesterday. A small team in Singapore implemented their first AI affiliate system using the principles we're about to discuss. Within hours, they were processing transactions more efficiently than their year-old manual system. That's the power of smart implementation. Core implementation. Framework Phase 1, base layer and implementation. The foundation of your smart system begins with data processing capabilities. 1. Data collection systems, real-time user behavior tracking, transaction monitoring, market data aggregation, competitor analysis, performance metrics. 2. Processing infrastructure, data cleaning protocols, normalization systems, feature extraction, pattern recognition, real-time analysis. 3. Initial AI models, basic prediction systems, simple optimization algorithms, fundamental learning models, performance tracking, baseline metrics. Phase 2, intelligence integration. This is where your system starts getting smart. 1. Advanced learning models, behavioral prediction, customer segmentation, price optimization, content personalization, commission structure optimization. 2. Adaptive systems, real-time adjustment capabilities, market response mechanisms, dynamic pricing models, automated A/B testing, performance optimization. 3. Integration points, e-commerce platform connections, payment system integration, CRM system links, analytics platform connectivity, security system implementation. Phase 3. Optimization layer. Now, we add the systems that make your implementation truly powerful. 1. Performance optimization, speed enhancement, resource utilization, cost optimization, efficiency improvement, scalability management. 2. Learning optimization, model refinement, algorithm improvement, pattern recognition enhancement, prediction accuracy increase, response time reduction. 3. Security enhancement, fraud detection systems, risk management protocols, compliance monitoring, data protection mechanisms, access control systems, real-world implementation example. A mid-sized e-commerce company implemented their smart system in phases. Week 1, base implementation. 1. Set up data collection. 2. Implemented basic AI models. 3. Established monitoring systems. Week 2, intelligence integration. 1. Activated learning models. 2. Connected integration points. 3. Initiated automated optimization. Week. Optimizations. 1. Fine-tuned performance. 2. Enhanced security. 3. Improved efficiency. Results. 1. 340% increase in conversion rates. 2. 89% reduction in manual tasks. 3. 230% improvement in ROI. 4. 67% decrease in operating costs. Critical success factors. Your implementation success depends on several key factors. 1. Data quality, clean, accurate data, comprehensive coverage, real-time availability, proper formatting, consistent updates. 2. System integration, seamless connections, real-time sync, error handling, recovery protocols, performance monitoring. 3. Performance optimization, speed enhancement, resource efficiency, cost management, scalability planning, continuous improvement, implementation challenges. 1. Technical challenges. 1. Integration complexity. 2. Data quality issues. 3. Performance bottlenecks. 4. Scaling problems. 5. Security concerns. 2. Organizational challenges. 1. Change resistance. 2. Skill gaps. 3. Resource constraints. 4. Process adaptation. 5. Cultural alignment. 3. Market challenges. 1. Competition pressure. 2. Market changes. 3. Customer expectations. 4. Regulatory requirements. 5. Technology evolution. Solutions framework. 1. Technical solutions. 1. Modular implementation. 2. Incremental scaling. 3. Regular testing. 4. Performance monitoring. 5. Continuous optimization. 2. Organizational solutions. 1. Training programs. 2. Change management. 3. Resource allocation. 4. Process optimization. 5. Cultural adaptation. 3. Market solutions. 1. Competitive analysis. 2. Market monitoring. 3. Customer feedback. 4. Regulatory compliance. 5. Technology tracking implementation timeline. A typical smart system implementation follows this timeline. Month 1. Foundation. 1. Infrastructure setup. 2. Basic system implementation. 3. Initial testing. 4. Team training. 5. Process establishment. Month 2. Enhancement. 1. Advanced feature activation. 2. Integration completion. 3. Performance optimization. 4. Security enhancement. 5. Process refinement. Month 0. Optimization. 1. Fine-tuning. 2. Performance maximization. 3. Advanced testing. 4. Team optimization. 5. Process perfection. Key performance indicators. Monitor these metrics during implementation. 1. Technical KPI response time, processing speed, error rates, system uptime, resource utilization. 2. Business KPIs, conversion rates, revenue growth, cost reduction, ROI improvement, customer satisfaction. 3. Operational KPIs, process efficiency, task automation, resource optimization, time savings, quality improvement, future considerations. As you implement, keep these future needs in mind. 1. Scalability, growth capacity, performance maintenance, resource planning, cost management, technology evolution. 2. Adaptability, market changes, technology advances, customer needs, competitive pressure, regulatory requirements. 3. Innovation, new features, advanced capabilities, enhanced performance, improved efficiency, better results. Practical exercise. For next week, I want you to 1. Create your implementation timeline. 2. Identify key challenges. 3. Develop solution strategies. 4. Set performance metrics. Looking ahead next week, we'll explore data-driven decision-making, where we'll 1. Analyze data patterns. 2. Make informed decisions. 3. Optimize performance. 4. Improve results. Remember, smart system implementation is an ongoing process. Your system should constantly learn, adapt, evolve, and improve. Questions to consider. 1. What are your biggest implementation challenges? 2. How will you measure success? 3. What resources do you need? 4. How will you ensure continuous improvement? This concludes Lecture 3. Next week, we'll dive into the world of data-driven decision-making. Come prepared with your implementation plans and questions.